How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some scary dashcam footage that's been freaking people out. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more mysterious content, just like this. This crazy dashcam footage captured by Karina Dmitrieva and submitted to the Daily Mail seems to confirm decades worth of hauntings. Filmed in Western Russia, the footage captured by Dmitrieva seems to show a woman in a white gown standing in the snow. As someone passes the camera, the woman in the background vanishes from view. Local folklore says that in 1989, a newlywed couple were heading to a local park to celebrate with friends. Their car allegedly smashed head-on with a truck, killing the bride instantly. The spot where that horrific accident happened decades ago is said to be just meters from where this striking footage was captured. Since that day, over 30 years ago, locals have attested to multiple accidents in the region, located between the towns of Lyubertsy and Litkarino in western Russia's Moscow Oblast region. All of these occurred on the same stretch of road where the bride was killed all those years ago. Known as a black spot, it's said that the same area has seen 10 fatal accidents in recent years. The spot has also been known for producing sudden blinding fog and other bizarre phenomena. This has caused even more drivers to lose control of their vehicles. The spot has been so riddled with accidents and ghost sightings that one Russian paranormal investigator, Ilya Sagliani, confessed to studying the location for over 8 years. Sagliani even claims to have seen the bride ghost himself. The footage captured by Dmitrieva appears to corroborate the story of Sagliani and so many others. Dmitrieva claims to have seen the woman's shape before pulling over to investigate. She got out of her car in order to look at the woman. The video clearly shows a ghostly woman who seems to disappear right after Dmitrieva walks past the camera, further solidifying the ghost's reputation. Captured by a man from Maine named Chet Cook and sent to The Sun, this video has effectively stumped paranormal investigators. Cook appears to be driving along a perfectly average stretch of road. However, the footage quickly shows a mysterious black shape scurrying across the street just in front of Cook's car. Not appearing to be corporeal in any way, the substance in Cook's video appears more like a shadow than a person. Cook said he felt a nagging feeling to review the dashcam footage when he got home. While Cook explains he reviewed the footage expecting to see a deer run across the road, he instead saw the strange black shape. Working in IT, Cook had a fairly good idea that it wasn't a camera malfunction that had led to this figure. He was fairly positive he hadn't actually seen anything in front of his car that night. So spooked, Cook sent the footage off to a paranormal team in order to conduct their own investigation. Instead, the crazy dashcam footage stumped the investigative team. They noted an animal wouldn't have appeared so transparent. As for Cook, he explained to the Sun news outlet that those who live in Maine are generally used to creepy sightings, and that there's a reason a lot of Stephen King's stories are based there. So what do you think this strange black mass is? Deer or something more sinister? Love to get your opinion on this one in the comment section below. Uploaded to the YouTube channel Hidden Underbelly 2.0, this piece of dashcam footage is bizarre to say the least. The footage shows a red taxi making its way along a winding road. However, things change suddenly and dangerously when a white blur appears out of nowhere. The strange light, which some have called a ghost, seems to slam right into the vehicle ahead. The vehicle immediately swerves off the road, crashing into a tree. The driver of the vehicle with the dashcam swears, clearly just as surprised as the rest of us by the strange incident. It appears the ghostly figure quite literally knocked into the vehicle in question, causing the accident. Some viewers have called the event a coincidence. Some say it's just the headlights of the car hitting a patch of mist, then the taxi swerved for a completely separate reason. Others, however, find this explanation hard to buy, saying that the strange spectral light flies out of nowhere and is in fact the cause of the accident. Covered by news outlet The Irish Mirror, this next piece of crazy dashcam footage shows yet another chilling brush with death. What could have been a fatal accident is barely avoided, but it's been captured on camera for the world to see. In the footage, a couple drives down a dark road. They come face to face with a mysterious figure standing in the middle of the street. What looks to be a female dressed in a white top and blue skirt, the couple is faced with the dangerous possibility of a collision. Panicked, the couple yells to one another. They swerve out of the way, a dangerous maneuver which could have caused an entirely separate accident. Confronted with the image of a ghostly woman standing in the middle of the road at night, arms outstretched, the couple may have slowly reached a supernatural conclusion themselves. Is this a genuine ghost sighting, or just a confused pedestrian who narrowly missed being hit? Uploaded by YouTube user Molly the Lag, this footage is the sort of eerie occurrence dashcams are perfect for capturing. As two men are driving down the street, one of them suddenly exclaims just how creeped out they are at something they've just seen.
What was that? What?
The viewer is able to make out a bright light far in front of the vehicle. Suddenly, the light seems to completely disappear as the vehicle gets a bit closer. The passenger explains that he had seen a man on what was either a bicycle or a motorbike flashing a blinding light in their direction.
No, I literally just saw somebody on a bicycle or a motorcycle with a headlight on, and then as we came close, it just disappeared.
However, as the light seems to disappear, so too does the figure entirely. Describing the figure's appearance as almost that of a hologram, the passenger is very obviously spooked by what he's just witnessed. The driver has no idea what they were seeing. Instead, the passenger recounts just what he had witnessed, thankful that they had the dashcam footage to go back and review after the fact. Some viewers have said the footage is simply a trick of perspective. They claim the light is just a street lamp up ahead that appears to disappear as the road curves in the distance. However, later in the footage, the uploader shows a map of where the incident took place. It seems to show that the road isn't as windy as it appears in the footage. It also shows there's no roads that a vehicle could have turned off on.
Picking up a tire, and right on the left over here, back there.
Upon review, the street lights also seem to flicker just after the light vanishes.
Creepy. But it literally just disappeared. It was there and then just stopped.
So what do you think these two men witnessed? A strange trick of perspective, or something else entirely? Love to hear your thoughts on this one in the comment section below.
What?
Before we take a look at a chilling near miss caught on dashcam, remember to hit that subscribe button and tickle that little bell icon there, then turn on all channel notifications. That way you'll be in the loop every time we drop our scary and mysterious videos. Also, remember to punch that like button right in the face. Posted to the YouTube channel Dashcam Owners Indonesia, this piece of crazy dashcam footage perfectly illustrates the sort of classic ghostly appearances one might miss without a dashcam. In this blink and you'll miss a ghostly appearance, an unsettling figure appears to be standing directly in the middle of the road. While not visible for a good stretch of the road, the figure appears suddenly. Eerily, the man appears to face away from traffic and doesn't move at all. While the traffic up ahead has to quickly swerve in order to avoid the man, he does nothing. The fact that the vehicles up ahead have to swerve means the man was physically there. It also makes it less likely that the footage has been digitally manipulated in some way. When a story like this seems far-fetched to anyone who wasn't there, dashcam evidence becomes extremely vital for proving one's case, and potentially proving to oneself they hadn't simply imagined the figure after the fact. While the man was clearly physically present and appeared unmoving, his exact motives remain unknown. If he was a spirit, one would have to wonder just what sort of evil motivation would lie behind such a reckless haunting. And if it was a living person, why would they just wade into oncoming traffic like that? Now, if you want to see some other scary videos, then check out that bad boy on the top there. Otherwise, there's a paranormal playlist there that'll scare you well into the evening, we promise. Now remember to follow us on all our other socials as well. There's links in the description box below. We're on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time. Peace!